In this video, I'll show you how to crochet a watermelon wind spinner for your home, porch, or balcony. We'll be using cotton yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook. Begin with a foundation chain in your desired length. A foundation chain about 14 to 16 inches long works well. I'm making 80 chains for mine. After making 80 chains, work 1/2 double crochet into the third chain from the hook. Work 1/2 double crochet into the next chain. Then work 2 half double crochets into the next chain. Work 1/2 double crochet into the next chain. Then work 2 half double crochets into the next chain. Work 1/2 double crochet in the next chain, then 2 half double crochets in the following chain. Repeat to the end of the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Return to the beginning of the row. Depending on your chain count, you may end with 1 or 2 half double crochets in the last chain. Either is fine. Join the yarn at the top of the first stitch and chain 3. Double crochet in the same stitch, then work 2 double crochets in each stitch to the end of the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Switch to red yarn and return to the beginning of the row. Join the red yarn at the top of the beginning chain 3. Work 1 double crochet into the same stitch. For row 3, repeat row 2. Work 2 double crochets in every stitch to the end of the row. At the end, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Switch to yellow and return to the beginning of the row. Join the yellow yarn at the top of the beginning chain 2. Work 1/2 double crochet in every stitch to the end of the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Switch to green yarn and return to the beginning of the row. Join the green yarn at the top of the first stitch. Chain 1. Work 2 single crochets in the next stitch, then 1 single crochet in the following stitch. Repeat to the end of the row. At the end of the row, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Keep using the green yarn and return to the beginning of the row. I made a small change to the color order while working off camera. For the finished version, I used pink for row 1, red for rows 2 and 3, yellow for row 4, and green for row 5. Join the green yarn at the top of the first stitch. Chain 1. Chain 1, then slip stitch in the next stitch. Repeat this pattern to the end of the row. At the end of the row, slip stitch into the final stitch. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Weave the yarn end through the stitches on the back as neatly as you can. You can embroider the watermelon seeds with a needle and thread, or attach small black pearl beads with glue. You can attach small round beads with the clear silicone glue, or use elongated beads that look like stitched seeds. Either bead style will work. Gluing them in place will keep the back of the spinner looking cleaner. I attach the black beads along the spinner, leaving a little space between them. Now attach the pink yarn at the beginning of row 1 and make the hanging loop. Chain 25. Slip stitch into chains 13 and 14 to form the loop. Chain 1 and cut the yarn. Then weave the yarn end through the chain stitches. You can decorate the bottom of the spinner with any small ornament you like. I'm using the watermelon slice from one of my earlier keychain tutorials. What charm would you add to the bottom of your spinner? Tell me in the comments. Once the watermelon slice is attached to the bottom, start at the hanging loop. Gently twist the piece around its center. Keep shaping it until it opens into an even spiral. And here's the finished spiral. It makes a colorful handmade decoration for your garden, porch, or balcony. And that's it for this tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like the video and subscribe for more easy crochet projects. See you next time.